Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm excited for today's video because it's the first of a series that I want to do on my channel. It depends on how you guys like this first one, but as you can see by the title, basically we are revisiting brands that the beauty community just kind of forgot about. You know, brands back in the day, early YouTube beauty community was always talking about, and now here we are in 2020 and no one really talks about them anymore. So I want to revisit them and see, you know, first of all, like, are they still putting out new products? Are they just repackaging the same things? And if they are putting out new products, I want to test those things out. So I actually had a completely different brand that I wanted to be the first that I did this with, but then I got this package in the mail from Black Opal. And I was like, that's a brand that, you know, people definitely talked about more years ago. Don't see that much about it nowadays, and there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. So I thought, why not start with that one? So that is what we are going to do. We are going to revisit Black Opal and see what's new with them. I am already losing my voice in the video, just started, but these are not new, but you can't do this video and not mention them, and they're in the box. They're the Black Opal True Color Foundation Sticks. Back in the day, there are still makeup artists. I know this is a very popular makeup artist foundation to have in your kit, and I know there's still makeup artists who use this to this day. But back in the day, especially if we're talking deeper complexions, like, this was it, all right? I'm pretty sure if you've been wearing makeup for years and years and years, you've tried this foundation stick. They sent me the shades 360 and 540. I don't remember. You guys remember, if you've been here for a minute, I don't know if I still have the clip, but I'm pretty sure it was Black Opal. I was testing out the Black Opal foundation stick, and I think I had like 2 shades in that video, and I went with one shade over the other one. And this is when, like, I got my first introduction to how just weird the internet can treat you. In the video, I went with one shade over the other one, and then I, you know, posted the video, and in the comments, I had a whole bunch of people telling me, that's not your shade. You should be using the shade Black Walnut. I was like, I'm pretty sure, like, I shouldn't. Like, that's not the right shade. I've been a makeup artist for years, and I know for a fact that you're the shade Black Walnut. I'm like, all right, well, I have the shade Black Walnut, so since all of you were saying, you know, you should be using that shade, I'll go ahead and put Black Walnut on my face. So that was back, you know, when people still use Snapchat. So I got on Snapchat with the shade Black Walnut on my face, and I had a whole bunch of people responding to me, asking me, why do you look like that? I would think Snapchat would still have that. I'm gonna look for it. If so, I will insert it into this video, but yeah. People are really arguing with me that Black Walnut is my foundation shade. Like, they're really trying to argue this with me, that this is... See, look, the memories that you bring when you revisit things. This isn't new either, because I remember trying it. It's their Invisible Oil Blocking Gel Primer, but we're going to try to stick with Black Opal today, so I'm going to use it in today's video, if I could open it. Like, I think about that and I still crack up to this day, because it's like, no one's going to be perfect when it comes to color matching themselves all the time, especially when you're ordering things offline. But just the way people swear they actually know you enough to say certain things to you is like you really think you can color match me through a screen? Throughout this video, if the sun decides that it wants to come out, I might look at least 3 different shades just in this video. Like, I'm pretty sure the first time I told you, like, nah, I'm pretty sure that's not my shade. That should have been a hint. But nah, the internet swears that they have at least 12 degrees in one. Like, they've got a doctor's, they've got a medical degree, they've got a law degree. You know, they graduated from the finest institution for cooking. Just every degree you can think of, everyone has it. All of them at once. Okay, so I've never seen this before, so I don't know if it's new, but it's new to me, so good enough. It's their Total Coverage Concealing Foundation in the shade 220. So I'm gonna use that as concealer. Ooh, that was, oh, okay. I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna use this as concealer. Miss Toller. My name is Miss Toller. I don't know why I have so much energy right now. Maybe because, I don't know, I'm actually excited to see what my face is gonna look like by the end of this. I don't know about this shade though. She kind of light, but positive thoughts. It's all going to work itself out. Is it though? Is it though? Ooh, okay. Okay. Okay, so they sent these. This is their Pore Perfecting Powder Foundation. So I think, you know, we'll do like a little mixture of the two because, yeah. So I'll do like a little light layer of this. It looks a lot lighter on the face, even compared to how it looks in the pan. I mean, I like a bright under eye, but not that bright. It is a nice type of creamy concealer where it's not so creamy that if you have oily skin, you'll feel like it's slip sliding all over the place, but it's not like a dry cream either. I feel like it's kind of like in the middle of that NARS and Makeup Revolution pot concealers that I did a video on. It's not my shade, but I feel like if you like light foundations, you know, things that aren't gonna be too harsh on your under eye, and you find it in your right shade, then you'll probably like it. Let me try. Can you see this? Wait, where am I? Oh, this one? Or maybe this one? Let's do this one. This is the shade Truly Topaz. Actually, now that I think about it, I might also be a little hyped because while I was doing the eye makeup, I was listening to T-Pain's Spotify channel, radio station, whatever you want to call it. So that might also be why, because you know, you start listening to that throwback T-Pain, you just, it does something to you. Okay, so this also looks new to me. This is their Pore Perfecting Liquid Foundation. They sent me the shades 240 Heavenly Honey and 640 Suede Mocha. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we're gonna go with Suede Mocha, okay? We like having nice things over here, so I'm not going to play myself. And this is what it looks like. We should be good. Brush. Low key, a lot came out. Ooh, a lot came out for one pump. So we should only need one pump. We might actually need less than one pump. Let me wipe some of that off and then start blending this out. Okay, Black Opal. Okay, we see each other. Okay, there are two powders. This is their, I know I've tried this before, their Soft Velvet Finishing Powder, and then this is their Invisible HD. Is it the same thing? Let's see if the packaging is the same. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Wait, are they the same thing? Well, they've got two different names and they're two different sizes. So I'm gonna do a little, you know, under eye set with this shade Neutral Light, and then top that off with this one 100. This is the shade 700 Deep. Let's push that in. Black Opal, if we could have a chat on whatever it is you guys use to seal your powders, that'd be great because they're annoying. All right, use that Invisible Finishing Powder. You're not really supposed to, like, you know, fake with finishing powders, but this wouldn't be the first time. Actually, let me shake that up. This wouldn't be the first time that I don't follow the rules, so no biggie. Come on. Just a little bit, not too much. The powders are nicely made, but what stands out the most to me is that you don't really see like cool tone, darker skin tone finishing setting powders like this. Like, they're usually always on the warmer side, closer to red than it would ever be, you know, like a blue type thing. So I think that's cool, but it is a brand, you know, that caters to deeper complexions. Oh, and I'm pretty sure it was Black Opal. My manager sent me a press release. I believe Black Opal is fully Black owned now. Funny thing is, like, back in the day, whenever people would, you know, talk about Black owned brands, people would always mention like Black Radiance and Black Opal, and then people would be like, they cater to deeper skin tones, but they're not actually Black owned. But I believe it was Black Opal that the press release was talking about how like I think one partner bought out the other one, so it's now like a fully black owned brand. If it is, I will insert or leave a link, whatever, to the clip down below. But that's good news. Okay, and I don't think I've ever tried a lipstick from them before. So this is the shade Misfit. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Smells like pancakes. That is a smell I can quickly place. So I'm annoyed. I finished my entire face and then I smeared mascara across my nose. That's what I get though, because I literally finished like 20 minutes ago, but I went back to playing the T-Pain station on Spotify. So that's what I get. So if you noticed something looking off there, that's what happened. But that is it for my face, and wait a minute. I am here for it. Okay, black Opal. Like I said, I think the concealer has a nice finish, and it feels nice on the face, but you know, you would just have to find that in your correct shade, unless you like really bright under eyes. But you know, there is a point where you go so bright that it starts looking ashy. So, you know, just move however you want to move there. But okay, to the foundation. Like, I know why they're still using the foundation stick all these years later, but this liquid foundation, you guys might be seeing her again in a video moving forward. And even the powders have very nice finish to it. They're nicely made. I know Black Opal, it's more on the affordable side, so let me find out that, you know, we forgot about a brand that had affordable products that actually do things. Okay, so that is it for the first installment of this series. If you guys like it, let me know. If you do, in the comments down below, let me know what other brands you feel have been forgotten about, and I will go revisit them and see what new things they have. Some of them might have been forgotten for a reason. So if they are one of those brands, you know, maybe we need to leave them where they are. But other than that, let me know how you're feeling in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.